To select all the photos at once on Google Photos, this is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to select all photos on Google Photos. Now to do so, you just need to watch this video till the very end. First of all, make sure that you have your Google Photos with you. So if you don't have a Google Photos, which obviously all the devices have on itself, you just need to open the Google Photos by clicking on the option of Google Photos. Fortunately, the Google Photos does not have the option of select all, but the thing which you can do is that you can simply long press the photo like this, and you may simply select it like this, and you may simply drag like this. So you may also simply drag like this, or you may simply select by clicking on the option of the date like this, and you'll be able to select all the photos at once like this. But there is no option of selecting all photos at once on Google Photos. So this is how you can select all the photos at once on Google Photos. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.